At One Stop Decorating, our designers that come out to your house do a really nice job of helping you mix and match different styles of window coverings in your windows. We realize that each room has its own different personality, style, design, and decor, and there are different window coverings that fit each of those styles and designs best. One of the things we have to take into account is, what do they look like on the outside of the house? Not all window coverings look the same from the back, so if we were to choose those two different colors on the front of the house, it wouldn't really be the best aesthetic look from the front of the house. We like to try to keep those consistent. In fact, there are a lot of homeowners associations that require you to keep a consistent look from the outside. The different types of window coverings, regardless of color, can also look different on the outside of a house. A flat fabric shade is going to have a flat look to the outside, while a slatted blind is going to have a slatted look to the outside. So that inconsistency of texture and style might bother some people, or again, be against the homeowners association's bylaws and rules. When our clients work with us on mixing and matching window coverings, a lot of times they like to mix and match them within the same window. We'll offer a shade for a window that offers a function in the way of privacy or light control or energy efficiency, but then we'll go back and we'll add a top treatment to that window, or a beautiful set of decorative drapery panels on each side to add that pop of color or that style that coordinates with your furniture, pillows on your bed, rugs, towels, and things like that in your bathroom. We can really bring out the design and the detail and the colors with that treatment by using 2 window coverings on a window, and in some cases 3. Oftentimes people will put a sheer in between there so that you get that diffused light when you want it, and the style of the curtains with the functionality of the room darkening shade that come down behind that.